evening. Nick Haddon and Rob Mitford taking the green flag. Heading down into turn one, turn two. Picking up a little bit of dust, but everybody makes it out. Jason McGrath gets the worst of that and slows considerably going to the back of the pack. Meanwhile, up front, Haddon and Mitford. Haddon on the inside, Mitford outside. Mitford wants that preferred line down low. And Snookers Haddon for the lead. Mitford right back up to the point. Eric Zay gets his way around Adam Dion. Dion fights back down to the inside. Look at Eric Zay. He makes a move on two cars and ends up in the third spot. Calvin Thurin trying to get around Dion. The 07 and 28. Mike doing battle. All around the front stretch. Both Mike Hahn and Mike Perry. Perry gets Hahn that time by. Up front, you got two cars running away with the show. Ron Mitford and Nick Haddon. Eric Zay in second spot with Mike Perry. Jeff Gaynor and Mike Hahn. But look at Calvin Thurin trying to get around a couple cars himself. Calvin Thurin in the 07. He gets up to fifth spot with Jeff Gaynor in sixth. Tom Shepley, Adam Dion in the 08 and 28. Nate Smith got a little sideways after him and James Montpelier go at it in turn two. Eric Zay trying to get around Mike Perry trying to get around Eric Zay. There's a battle for third spot. Perry is now ahead of Eric Zay. Mike Perry in the 26. Zay in the number 1. As this single file all the way around the track. Haddon is not letting go of Ron Mitford. Mitford in the preferred spot. Haddon way over to his bumper. Haddon is making sure that Mitford knows he's right there. I think Haddon is just trying to intimidate. Mike Hahn gets shuffled to the rear of the pack. Our leader, look at Nick Haddon. Nick Haddon's trying to get around Ron Mitford. He's back up to the lead on number 41. It's so smooth, was intimidating that whole time. Right on Ron Mitford's back door. Here goes Haddon. He's trying to put a lap and does put a lap on Jason McGrath. 5 laps to go. 5 to go. Nick Haddon coming out of turn 4 in the lead. He's at the stripe with only 4 laps to go. Nick Haddon, turn 2, pulling away from Ron Mitford. Mike Perry in third, with Eric Zay in fourth. 3 laps to go. Next time by, the chopsticks will be up. As they work their way around lap traffic. Nick Haddon in a 41. Got a spin. The number 14 car goes up high. Tries to get out of the way. James Montpelier. Meanwhile, Nick Haddon with 2 to go. The white flag is out for Nick Haddon. Last time around. Mitford falling back. Nick Haddon. Mitford's trying to get around TJ Bernier. Haddon coming out behind Gaynor. And the victor. Nick Haddon.